Working on the Jeep. Dipping the door handles today. Started it last night, but it started to fucking rain, so I had to resume this morning. There's, as you can see, it's pretty wet, but I had tarps covering it. We're doing the chrome around the taillights. And then the Jeep emblem in the back. A little got peeled there. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try and fix that. Make it look as best I can. Over here, the other ones, we just threw another coat on, so it's drying up. Yeah. We're eventually gonna get to the window trim, the mirrors, the grill inserts, and then the fascia. So we can, and these on the top also. So you can get a full chrome delete going. Be back with the finished product. All right, so we're back here on another day. It's kind of shitty out, but it's not raining, at least. So we got, this is all set. I'm gonna take that little lip out in the middle of the P. I had to do the P over like 3 different times. It just kept getting fucked up, but I finally got it. I'm just gonna clean up the little excess there, and then it will look better. I just took off the tape and then started recording. I ended up also doing this bumper here, this little lip around, you know, little whatever you call it here, and came out pretty good. It just gives it a nice, you know, black. And we're gonna get rid of those. We're also gonna be getting rid of this side lettering and this lettering today too, which will be a different video, but yeah, so the back is fully blacked out now, and it looks pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie. It'll look nicer once I tint the tail lights, darken those out. But I want to get all the emblems off because I don't like those at all. And we'll get to the backs of the mirrors as well. But yeah, the front will come soon. I'll get to the fascia probably tomorrow or a nice day. Just bang it out real quick. But yeah, always remember to put your aerosol in warm water so it can actually set onto what you're spraying it on. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. The handlebars, taillight. I think it looks much better. I'll be getting a new taillight probably because this is all cracked. I had to glue it back together for inspection because these are like $500 because it's limited with the chrome, which is just fucking stupid. But, you know, it works. Looks a little shitty, but yeah. So, yeah. The handlebars came out really nice. Handlebars, I mean, door handles. Emblem's really good. Alright, so I'm out here. I'm just taking the side lettering off. We got all the letters off. As you can see, they're all over the ground. I'm not gonna do a tutorial on how to do that because there's plenty out there. And you just take a heat gun and some fishing line, and you know, the rest is common sense. But I highly recommend, if you're not using the eraser wheel drill bit, I highly recommend this 3M adhesive remover. But I highly recommend, if you're thinking about getting the drill bit, or just doing it by hand with Goo Gone or this, I highly suggest to get the drill bit because this sucks. And I mean, I'm getting there. I'm making some progress, but like as you can see, I'd suggest going around by hand and just kind of picking off, because as you can see, there's still a lot of that black padding. All of that is what that is. And the drill bit would really help with that. So, yeah. That's what it looks like right after you take it off. So the other side, you can tell I'm making progress with the spray. So it'll end up working, though, have the same results, but the drill bit would have been much easier. But yeah, so I'll be right back with what it looks like when it's done. Okay, so we're back. I highly don't recommend doing the spray method in the cloth rags. I went out to the store, picked up the drill bit. As you can see, you know, it's completely gone. It's good that I had this to go over it with, though, to get like any remaining little stuff that it can actually remove. But yeah, come over here. The front's nice and clean. No emblem anymore. Looks super clean. Over here, we got the other one done. Nothing left at all. And then tomorrow I'm just gonna come to the back and do the 4x4 in the limited, because I'm done now for the day. It's too dark. But yeah, so that's that.